Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today we are going to continue the subtopic 9.1 and 9.2 in the chapter 9, the nutrition and the human digestive system. First of all, we are going to discuss the subtopic 9.1. It's about the digestive system. The human digestive system made up of long and muscular alimentary canals that start from the mouth to the anus. Salivary, gastric and intestinal gland will secrete the digestive juice. Alimentary canal consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Meanwhile, the other organs involved in the digestive system are liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Furthermore, we are going to discuss the subtopic 9.2. It is about digestion. So what is digestion? Digestion is a process that breaks down large and complex pieces of food into smaller and simpler pieces so that it can be easily dissolved for easy absorption. Digestion divided into two types. The first one is physical digestion. Physical digestion involves the breakdown of food to form small particles, such as chewing and peristalsis. The second one is the chemical digestion. Chemical digestion is the process of decomposition of complex molecules into simple molecules, and it involves the enzyme reaction. Here are the human digestive system. It involves three parts. The first one is the mouth, stomach, and small intestine. In the mouth, the digestion of carbohydrate will occur. Meanwhile, in the stomach, only the digestion of protein occur. But in small intestine, the carbohydrate, protein, and lipid will be digested. Now, let me look into the mouth. The digestive system begins in the mouth. The food that we eat will stimulate the secretions of saliva. Our saliva contains salivary amylase secreted from the salivary gland. The salivary amylase will break down the starch into maltose. The optimum pH of saliva is about 6.5 to 7.5. Now, let me discuss about the functions of saliva. The first one is to moisten the food for easier swallowing, break down the starch, and help food to form bodies. During swallowing, the epiglottis will close the trachea opening to prevent food from entering the trachea. In the esophagus, the bolus will move by peristalsis. Here are the peristalsis process. It is the rhythmic contraction and relaxations of muscle along the alimentary canal. The function is to push the bolus through the esophagus until it enters the stomach. Next one, let me discuss what happens in the stomach. The digestion of protein will start in the stomach. The stomach wall lines with the epithelial cell. The stomach wall functions to form gastric gland. The epithelial cell consists of sheath cell, parietal cell, and mucus cell. The mucus cell will secrete the mucus. The parietal cell secrete the hydrochloric acid, and the sheath cell will secrete the pepsinogen. The pepsinogen is inactive enzyme. This pepsinogen will be activated by the hydrochloric acid to become pepsin. The pepsin will break down the protein to form polypeptide. Here are the functions of the hydrochloric acid. The first one is to prepare a medium with a suitable pH for the pepsin to act, to stop the enzymatic action of salivary amylase, and to kill the bacteria in the food. The functions of mucus is to protect the stomach wall from the reactions of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. In the stomach, the food is made with the gastric juice. The gastric juice made up of hydrochloric acid and pepsin. The food is churned by the peristaltic action in the stomach for a few hours, and the content in stomach finally changes to a semi-fluid called chyme. The chyme will enter the duodenum slowly when the sphincter muscle relaxes. Next, let me look into the small intestine. Here, the digestion of carbohydrate, protein and lipid will occur. Small intestine divided into duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Duodenum is the first part that receives the chyme from the stomach. The duodenum also receives the bile produced by the liver and the pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas. The pancreas will secrete the pancreatic lipase, pancreatic amylase, and trypsin into the duodenum through the pancreatic duct. The liver. The functions of liver is to produce bile, and the bile will store in the gallbladder. The bile will flow into the duodenum through the bile duct. The functions of the bile. The first one is to neutralize the acidic chyme. Second one, to prepare a clear condition for the enzyme action in duodenum. And the third one is to emulsify lipids by breaking down into tiny droplets. The functions here to increase the surface area for lipase activities. Here are the digestions of carbohydrate. With the presence of the maltase, sucrase and lactase will occur in the small intestine to produce the simple sugar. The lipid digestion that involves the lipase will hydrolyze the lipids to form fatty acid and glycerol. Meanwhile, the protein digestion will involve the ellipsin to hydrolyze the peptides into the amino acid. The gland on the ileum wall secrete a mucus and intestinal juice that contains of smell. Sucrase, maltase, ellipsin, lactase, and lipase. The alkaline medium in ileum allows the enzyme to act its optimum. So with that, thank you very much, and we will continue to the next subtopic in the next video. See you soon. Thank you.